Today on Family Wars,
meet the bears.
Here's Tie-Dye Bear, American Bear,
and Pinky Bear.
Meet the birds. Fish.
Turkey Bird, Penguin Bird, Flamingo Bird, and Fishy Bird. Meet the Smalls, Froggy Small, Rodent Small, and Weirdo Small.
Meet the Crazies. Mrs. Crazy,
Mr. Crazy,
Ellie Crazy,
and Piglet Crazy. Hi, we're the bears. Hi, my name's Tie-Dye Bear, but everybody calls me Peace Bear because of this peace sign. But anyways, straight to the point. I hate the bird family and the crazy family. They're so rude. You should see what happened yesterday with all us moms.
Oh, I just love book club.
No, I love it more than you. You don't even come here once a week. Hey, you two quit fighting.
You're the one who started it.
Started what? The fighting? No, the bad book club. It should be more fun. Well, you know what? If you want fun, go to a different book club. Because you don't fit in, Miss Crazy Miss Bird. Because you two, I'm getting gossip about.
Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe you should tell that to me once I leave this door.
Oh, I'm good. Let the door hit you on the way out. So, I'm just gonna stay? No, get out and let the door hit you on the way out.
Okay. I'm almost there.
I told you guys, let the door hit you on the way out.
So, the bears are so rude. So are the Smalls. This is what happened yesterday. Achoo! You know I'm sick. Yeah, we know. Bless you. Thank you. You're welcome. Hey, that was supposed to be mine. Yeah, you really want to do that? Whew, I'm gonna tackle you down. Tackle. Durr. I hate Mr. Small. So, my name's Mr. Bear. I hate the Smalls and everything. They are so rude to my family. Look what they did yesterday.
Oh, look at our two babies. They are so cute together.